In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update my Instagram. We will walk through each tap slowly so you can follow along without missing anything. On an Android phone like Samsung, Xiaomi, or Oppo, start by opening the Google Play Store app. Look for the multicolored play button icon on your home screen or in your app list, then tap it once to open. When it opens, you should see the Play Store homepage with apps and a search bar at the top. Now, in the top right corner, tap your profile picture. This is usually a small circle that might show your photo or a letter from your account name. When you tap it, a menu drops down from the top, covering part of the screen with several account options. From that menu, tap Manage Apps and Device. After you tap it, you will move to a new screen with two main tabs at the top, Overview and Manage. This section controls updates for all the apps installed on your phone. Next up, tap Updates Available. You will usually find this on the Overview tab as a line that mentions how many updates are waiting. Once you tap it, the screen will change to a list of all apps that have newer versions ready to install. If you see 0 updates here, Instagram is already up to date and nothing else will appear in the list. At this point, look through the list and find Instagram. The apps are usually listed with their icons on the left and an update button on the right. The Instagram icon has a colorful gradient camera shape, which helps you spot it quickly among the other apps. Once you find Instagram, tap Update. As soon as you tap, the Update button changes to show a progress bar or a spinning circle. This means the Play Store has started downloading the latest Instagram version in the background using your internet connection. After that, wait for the update to finish. You can watch the progress bar slowly fill, and then the word Open will replace the progress text. A common beginner mistake is leaving this screen too early and thinking the update failed, but as long as you saw the bar complete and the button changed to open, the update installed correctly. On slower connections, this may take more than a few seconds, especially if the update is large. With the update done, tap Open next to Instagram. Instagram will launch right away, and you will land on your usual feed or login screen. Any new features included in this version are now active, so you might notice small design changes or new tools in the app. You have just updated Instagram on your Android phone to the latest version through the Google Play Store. If this helped you get Instagram up to date, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick guides like this.